Hello, my name is Domenico and I'm a product manager with Lightning GPS. In this tutorial, I'll review the site functionality of the Lightning GPS platform as it relates to the Jobs panel. This video is designed to help someone continue to learn the features of Lightning GPS. Please check out our other tutorial videos that go deeper into specific functionality. We'll begin. Here we have the Jobs panel. I'm going to click on New to begin. So we have a few options. Execute commands. What execute commands does is it sends a request to the device to perform a specific action. Those actions are going to be listed out. Change access to units. Most people won't have this ability as they only have a few units. If you do have multiple users, then you may need that. Send a report by email. Something very common that you might need. It'll send one of the report templates to you by email on a consistent schedule. Send fuel information by email or SMS. This will send you some information on your vehicle's fuel via email or SMS, being text message. Mileage counters. A mileage counter is the odometer reading on your vehicle. Engine hours. Engine hours are the hours that your engine is running. It just keeps a constant tab of how long your engine's been running. It's another way to measure usage for a vehicle. GPRS traffic counters. Most people aren't going to use GPRS traffic counters as it's just a counter of the data packets going back and forth over our cellular networks. We'll begin with executing. So this warning that I have here is telling me that I may or may not have access to do this. The reason it's displaying this is because this is for demonstration purposes, but I can do this. So let's continue. You probably won't see this mark. So here I have the one available command I can send. I can request location. So I'm going to click next. So here I can request every 12 hours, or I can do every 30 hours, or every 1 hour and 30 minutes. I'll do 12 hours. Or I could do a schedule where I enter in the time. So I could do every bear in mind this is the 24-hour clock, so 23:00 is 11 p.m. You can leave this blank. This is telling me that I can enter the number of times I want this executed before it disables it automatically. And then I can do a time limitation. Go over to you. And then I can click OK. So it'll send that request to the device on that schedule until June. We'll do another one. We'll send a report by email. Choose my report. Select the file format. PDF is a common format. We're definitely going to want to uncheck the compressed reports file. The reason for that is you want to receive the PDF as it is. If you're sending it compressed, you'll receive a zip file, which may require additional software. And if I'd like to, I can choose to add a map. Then check off the recipient. I already have my email address in, so I'll check that off. select which device, or you can click up here to collect all the information. Give it a name. I put in every 24 hours. Clicking OK, and we're done. So I should receive that report every 24 hours. We'll do another one. So we'll send fuel information. So we'll do next. Fuel level is the most common thing we'll request. Choose my recipient, which would be me, and then choose vehicle. Give it a name. And then click OK. So this is a way we can have it update, store the odometer information. To disable one of these, we can click here on the check mark, and it becomes a red line telling us it's disabled. If you want to run a test, we can do a test execution. Thank you for watching this tutorial covering the reports panel of the platform. Remember to check out our other tutorial videos by visiting Lightning GPS. Thank you for watching this tutorial covering the reports panel of the platform. Remember to check out our other tutorials by visiting the Lightning GPS website.